Why lemon juice is a must-have in your diet. Did you know a small yellow fruit could be the secret to unlocking vibrant health? Lemon juice isn't just a tangy addition to food. It's a powerhouse with benefits that can transform how you feel every day. Let's dive into why this citrus superstar deserves a place in your diet. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, a key nutrient for a strong immune system. Just one squeeze of this citrus delivers antioxidants that help your body fight off colds and illnesses. It's a simple and delicious way to keep your defenses on high alert. Adding lemon juice to warm water every morning can jumpstart your immune system. No need for fancy supplements. This natural remedy is both effective and affordable. Staying healthy has never been so easy or so refreshing. Struggling with bloating or sluggish digestion? Lemon juice is here to help. Its acidity stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, helping your body break down food more efficiently. That means less discomfort and more energy after meals. Even a splash of lemon juice in your water can work wonders for your digestive system. It's a gentle, natural way to keep your gut running like a well-oiled machine. Why not make every sip count? Here's a fun fact. Despite its acidic taste, lemon juice has an alkalizing effect on the body. This helps balance your body's pH levels, which is key to maintaining overall wellness and reducing inflammation. Feeling balanced inside often leads to feeling better outside. Regularly incorporating lemon juice can promote a thriving internal environment. Whether you drink it or drizzle it, this underrated hero helps combat acidity and keeps your body on track toward holistic health. Who doesn't want radiant, glowing skin? Lemon juice has your back. Its antioxidants fight free radicals that contribute to aging, while its high vitamin C content supports collagen production for smoother, brighter skin. Nature's skincare secret is just a lemon away. Drinking lemon water every day not only hydrates you, but also rejuvenates your complexion from within. Say goodbye to dull skin and hello to a refreshed, youthful glow, no filters needed. Did you know lemon juice can make your meals even healthier? Its natural acids help your body absorb iron and other essential nutrients more effectively. Adding a splash of lemon juice to your dishes takes your health game to the next level. Pair lemon juice with a spinach salad or grilled veggies to amplify nutritional benefits while boosting their flavor. It's a small dietary tweak that makes a huge difference for your vitality. We all know hydration is essential, but plain water can get boring. Lemon juice transforms basic water into a zesty drink you'll actually crave. Staying hydrated has never been more enjoyable. The added flavor might just motivate you to drink more and keep dehydration at bay. It's a hydration hack that's as simple as it is effective, and your body will thank you. Incorporating lemon juice into your daily routine is easy. Use it to season meals, create refreshing drinks, or enhance your snacks. The possibilities are endless, and the health perks are undeniable. Don't overthink it, just start small. Stir it into your water, squeeze it over salads, or try it as a marinade. Healthy habits often begin with simple, delicious choices. Now that you know why lemon juice is a nutritional all-star, it's time to take action. Start your day with a warm lemon water ritual. Dress up your meals with its tangy touch, and share this simple secret with friends and family. Your journey to better health can begin with the squeeze of a lemon. Make it a daily habit and watch how your body transforms with small but powerful changes. Ready to refresh your diet and supercharge your wellness? Start today. Your health deserves it.